Hi, ma'am. Thank you very much for being our resource speaker. So, ma'am, in your talk, you emphasize that media messaging is very important. Why is it important that young people like us should learn how to be effective in terms of crafting media messages?
It's really important in order to be able to convey the right information and the right message to all. It's a key factor in order to promote whatever campaigns or whatever advocacy that we would like to deliver. At present, one of the very good advocates or one of the good messenger that all sectors should establish is encouraging the youth and giving them and teaching them to convey the right message is one of the main issues that we should focus on. And also, youth advocates are also the best advocates to their other peers.
Ma'am, follow-up question. Why should youth be involved on RH?
Youth should be involved, like as we said, in order to have a very good quality of life for all Filipinos and to ensure that our young individuals would also be able to envision or to visualize to have a good quality of life. All sectors, especially this youth, should be encouraged or involved in order to advocate and to support whatever endeavors that would improve the policies, the programs, and the formulations of projects that would ensure good quality and good delivery of services. All must be enjoined in it.
Okay. Let's talk about the RH bill. Are you in favor of comprehensive sexuality education?
For me, teaching and giving the right information and education is the key factor for progress. So comprehensive quality sex education, I believe, would be one of the best tool in order to really ensure that our young individuals would not go haywire, wherein they will not be involved in premarital sex or early marriages or teen pregnancies. So this information campaign is very important. However, the key factor also is to ensure that the right information, the right venue must be in place.
Thank you, ma'am. Next question about the RH bill. How important is it that municipal health officials or even local government units should provide contraceptives to couples?
At present, there is already a law. It's called the Contraceptive Self-Reliance Policy, wherein the local government units are enjoined to pass these resolutions. In fact, most of there are towns that are now operating this kind of policy. They are now implementing this policy, especially at present, wherein contraceptives are not anymore provided by the local government units. But because of the passage or the creation of that CSR resolution, LGUs are now providing it. And we all know that contraceptives have been free for a long period of time, and providing them again now would at least help defray the cost of the couples in terms of giving them at least options to practice the family planning program or population management for that matter.
Yes, ma'am. How can RH bill complement on the existing policies that was already passed in the LG level?
The RH bill is a different matter. It is of a national context. We all know that there are plans and programs and fund allocations that are incorporated in the different agencies. However, passing of this bill would truly ensure that our government will allocate a big chunk of funds that would really support all the programs and projects that would really focus on the reproductive health program. Because when we say reproductive health program, it's more in the context of providing reproductive health services, not just to couples, but also for the youth and other individuals that are beneficiaries of this project.
Yes, ma'am. Last question, ma'am. Some critics of the bill is afraid that it will be used for corruptions. Like Senator Tito Soto have exposed an anomaly in the purchasing of contraceptives in the DOH recently.
Reproductive health bill passage is an open field, which means if we have good leadership, if we had good implementers, which we all should ensure and which we all must enjoin in to support anti-corruption, reproductive health bill passage should first be passed. Those kind of problems, those kind of issues would be entirely different kind of issues. What we want is to pursue the passage of the bill in order to improve the quality of life.
Yes, ma'am. As a closing statement, ma'am, what is your message to us young people?
As young people, I would like you all to encourage, to move, to be frontliners, to seek also for the right for everybody, because we all know that the young individuals who are our future leaders. So, as future leaders, it is but right to seek for what is correct and what is right and what should be done early on in order for you to have also a very good future.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.